Now, one of my customers actually gave me this really cool halation effect idea that I'm like, hey, he gave me the secrets, might as well share you guys and show you guys how he did it, but this is what he came up with. I'll grab it really quick. If you can see like the captions that he does. It has that nice like halation effect that just looks really nice, and I absolutely love it. And not just that, let's see what he said. Said he's been loving the packs, especially, look at this. You can read that, I don't know if you can, but it says, great man. Finished a bunch of edits in 1 day instead of 3. Dude, that's, holy shit, that's crazy, dude. That's crazy. He edited, it took him usually 3 days to edit videos, and now he just does it in 1. That's fucking crazy. I'm glad I'm helping people using my packs. And if you guys wanna go get my packs and edit like him or edit exactly like me in just seconds to cut your time that drastically in half, go in the link description, grab my packs. I'm not trying to plug or anything, but he uses them. Ryan Panini, editor, uses them. Another guy called Derek Oates uses them. Big creators use my packs and they trust them, so, you know, it's kind of a no-brainer, but go down in the link description and let's grab my meals and let's go to the gym. Kind of keeping it casual, you know. I don't know if you guys can see this, but damn, why does this mirror make my legs look so damn long? Holy shit, I look like I'm 6'4". It's always so difficult when you're trying to get into a car with a fucking camera. It's I don't know why, but when you have a drive-by, it's the most difficult thing to get into a car. It's always the most awkward when you're the guy that's just coming in with the fucking camera and everyone else is just like staring at you. One thing I really like about like hauling a camera into the gym is because no one wants to fucking talk to me. Absolutely no one. Everybody just wants to stay away and do their own thing, and that's what I absolutely love. And that's the reason why I bought these too, is because just no one wants to talk to you, no one wants to bother you, and it's just, oh, it's so peaceful, man. Let's start working out though. Wow, it is hot in here. If you guys ever have one of these type of bars, it is a huge back saver. Puts less strain on your back. Just helps out a lot more. You don't have to constantly pull your arms backwards. This is nice, and top of your body is just nice and loose. It doesn't have to be tense. Helps out a lot. Look at this. You can see it. We got protein shake with a banger ass protein meal. We got berries, oats, protein powder. It's like combined, this is probably about 70 to 100 grams of protein. I'm gonna devour this shit. If you want this, I'll leave it down in the link description. Dude, it's so fucking good. It makes every single workout worth it. Wow, help me. And there we go. So now we're in Premiere Pro. I'm gonna show you 2 ways on how I get this effect. One's gonna be with a plugin on how I prefer to get it, and also how my customer prefers to get it, because you get so many more benefits of using this plugin. But I'm also gonna show you how to do it in Premiere Pro. But the first version and the best version is using the plugin called Dehancer. Now, this Dehancer plugin is pretty spendy, but I guarantee you guys will absolutely love this plugin. It's exactly how, when you can see in my color grading, you can see how like I pop really well. My t-shirt pops extremely well. This blue in the background pops really well. I guarantee if you see any type of filmic look that has a lot of popping colors, they use Dehancer, because in Dehancer, you can come into here and use this effect called, under Film Developer, it's called Color Boost. Now, this is how I created literally all of my LUTs. That's why they look so much better than majority of other people, and you can get them down in the link description, of course. But this is what like my footage looks like with the LUTs and everything. And the way I get this is by using color boost, obviously, but the way I get the halation effects is you go into Dehancer, you come into the halation tab that it has on here, and look, now when I disable this, there's no red, and now when I enable it, there is. If I hit mask mode, I can actually see wherever this is hitting, so it's really only hitting like the highlights, and obviously if I wanted to make a custom job, I can, but I don't like to do that. I just like to keep everything simple, clean, grab one that just looks really nice to me. So I really like this one. If I want to go stronger, of course, you can go to the Super 8mm, which is the absolutely strongest, but to me, it's too strong and I don't like it. But here's what it looks like. It has this really nice, if I kind of play it a little bit, has this really nice kind of like oranges in the middle that makes the halation effect just really come alive and work well with the white. Now, the way you can do the exact same kind of effect a little differently is by using a glow that I've created. You can see this one doesn't add the halation in the back. Same with it, doesn't really make that kind of like oranges type, but it also does add that kind of halation aberration kind of effect. So the way I did it, super easy and simple. I'm gonna delete this. Now all you want to do is copy the text that you are using. So for example, I'm gonna copy mine and I'm gonna bring it down. We're gonna put the glow on the bottom part of it because I want this whiteness to dominate over the glow, which allows it to have a nice, like better redness halation effect. Now, when you come into the bottom one, I'm gonna do one really quick. Is I just go up, click, search up glow. I grab these, it's in my text and logo animations presets if you want this glow. It's super fast, simple, and easy. I always just grab the glowing text low power, and now boom, we have this really nice glow that's super simple and easy to fucking make. I use these like all day, every day, so it's a really no-brainer for me and every single buddy else. And because this glow is a little too strong on the outside, let's just turn it down by turning it down like this, and I want it to really kind of fit right in like the close to the captions, because when you look over here, it fits really like close to the captions. So that's what I want to do is really hug these captions. And now I'm gonna turn this from white to red by simply searching up tint. So if I search up tint right here, drag and drop it onto the glow, and now boom, it's gonna be right here. Turn the map white to red. And now hit okay, and now we kind of have this effect. It looks like it's not strong enough, so I'm gonna come up to the opacity, turn up the opacity, and now we kind of get that effect. I wish it had like a little red or a little bit of that yellow tint, but that is what you get when there is like this. If you want to learn more about all of these editing presets that not only I use each and every single day, that are really just a no-brainer, but people like Ryan Pineda, a big creator, uses, another one like Derek Oates, and a bunch of more of these huge creators use my editing packs to streamline their workflow. And if you want to learn exactly how you can do that and create videos just like all of mine, I'll pop up some examples right now in just seconds. Go click this video right over here. It'll teach you exactly all of that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!